welcome back. It's your girl Katie here. So today's video is going to be a spring clothing haul. I went out and did a little bit of shopping and I found some really cute things. Well, I think they're really cute, and I thought why not go ahead and share with you guys what I picked up, what I found, and where I got it from and how much I got it from. So just all that. But yeah, before we get on into this video, you guys know the drill. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. But other than that, I'm just going to go ahead and get started. Alright, so I went to Ross and Walmart. This is where I found these things. Oh, and I think one thing from Five Below. There won't be a try-on. I'm not going to do a try-on just because, I don't know, I'm not really comfortable doing it. I don't know. If you guys really, really want to see, maybe I'll do a try-on of it later, but right now I'm just going to show you what I got. Alright, so I'm going to start with things that I found from Walmart, and I don't know, some people might not like shopping at Walmart, but I find some really cute clothing at Walmart a lot of the times. So a majority of these are dresses because I honestly am trying to, I don't know, I want to try to wear more dresses this spring. I don't know, I just like the look of dresses, and I never ever wear them, and I just think they're very feminine. So yeah, I'm going to try to wear more dresses. Alright, so the first up is this yellow dress. I'm trying to like show it. It's, I don't know, it's this cute little dress here. It's not super long, but it does have that cut where in the front it's a little bit shorter, and then in the back it's a little bit longer, and it did come with like this little belt. But I think, I don't know, I've been really liking the color yellow lately, and I just love the buttons in the front and then the flowers. And I got this for $10.96. But yeah, I got this from Walmart. I don't know, I just thought that was super cute. And I really like the feel of the material. It's like really soft feeling. I just love this type of material. So there's the first one. So I thought this one was super cute. Alright, and then I got another dress. Like I said, majority of these are dresses, but this is an overall dress. Isn't that so cute? Again, it's about, I would say about, probably will go down to your knees, but it does have like little pockets in the front here. Yeah, there it is. I just love the floral. This reminds me so much of spring. And I got this overall dress for $15.96, which I thought was not a bad price, especially for like overalls. And then I picked up two shirts, just solid color shirts. This one was $4.98, and I don't know how much this one was. I think this one was around the same price, but I got two. I got pink and then white because I didn't know which would go well underneath the overalls. I'm thinking the pink one will probably go better, but I just got white just in case. Let me see if I can shove it in there so you guys can kind of see what it would look like. So there's the pink, and then I can show you what it would look like with the white. Personally, I think the pink goes a little bit better, but I mean, it would match with just the white too. Alright, and then the next up is the one thing that I got from Five Below, and it's these pants. I don't know how for sure to style these yet, but I did want to try them. Actually, my sisters talked me into getting these because they all got a pair, and they're like, my sister was like, don't worry about it, I know how to style them with stuff, so get them and then I'll show you what to do, or something like that. But no, they do feel like really comfortable. I like the lightweight. Sorry, I'm like tying this. I'm going to tie this in a knot. It's like the belt. Anyways. Here they are. I don't know. This usually isn't really my style, but these do look really nice, and they're pretty long. I don't know, but like a cute top. These would look really cute, I think. And like I said, it's very light material, so I don't think you'd get like super hot in them. Yeah, cute little pants. And I don't really know how. I think these were like $5 or something. Yeah, these were $5. Alright, and then I got two dresses from Ross. So first up is this longer dress. and it's a long one, and it does have buttons like in the front here, which I like buttons. I don't think they're actually like practical, like this is just for the look. I do like that it has the padding in it. I guess I should be telling you guys the brands. This is A-N-U-W, I think it's A-U-W, but yeah, there's the tag. But I do like that this dress has padding in it already, so you don't have to wear a bra with it if you don't want to. I prefer them that way because, I don't know, I always try to hide straps and things because I don't know, there's nothing wrong with your bra strap showing, but I feel like it's just a better look whenever you can't see it is with a dress like this. You just see these straps instead of two straps, because then you don't have to worry about your bra strap falling down or anything. So yeah, I do like this one. This one just looks really comfortable. This dress just looks really comfortable, in my opinion. Oh, I didn't tell you how much I paid for this. I paid $15.99 for this dress. Alright, and the last dress I think is probably one of my favorites that I found. Is this gorgeous blue. It looks a lot like, the style-wise, looks a lot like that yellow one. But it's a blue one. It has the buttons in the front again, and then it does come with like a little belt, just like the yellow one did. This one doesn't, I don't think, quite has that same cut. I mean, it looks like it's a little bit shorter in the front, but not much than the back. But I just love the color, and again, it has that really soft material. Sorry if you guys can hear my dog snoring. He's in the room with me, but if you hear weird noise in the background, that's him. But anyways, I just really like the look of this. This looks so, I mean, you could even wear these dresses like in the summer too, so it could be a spring/summer dress too. I don't know, I just really like the look of this dress. I'm really excited to wear these. And this is from the brand Derek Hart, and I paid $9.99 for this dress, which I think is a pretty good price. I mean, that's cheaper than the Walmart one. These pants don't have a brand name. Oh, it's called Five Style, I guess. Maybe this is like Five Below's brand or something. I don't know, but that's what that. The Walmart dress, I think, is just there. The No Boundaries. Yeah, the yellow one is from No Boundaries. And I think, yeah, and the overall dress is from No Boundaries as well. I think that's the Walmart brand if I remember correctly. But yeah, that is my spring, I guess this could be considered summer as well, clothing haul. But yeah, that is everything that I got. Let me know if you like seeing hauls like this, because sometimes I find quite a bit of stuff at Ross. Just depends on the time I go. And if you guys want to see more hauls, let me know down in the comments. And also, let me know down in the comments what you thought of the things that I found. But yeah, that is going to do it for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!